Cases are up and deaths due to COVID are also on the rise.
At 12 News, Deidre Briscoe is live outside Forest General Hospital in Hattiesburg. Hi, Deidre.
Melanie, the Mississippi Department of Health is reporting over 7,000 new cases of COVID-19, making the state's totals since the pandemic started over 600,000 cases of the COVID-19 virus.
These numbers reflect the latest rise in numbers from December 22nd through December 26th, as we face a virus 3 times more infectious than Delta, a fate doctors say they didn't originally anticipate.
This is an emerging pandemic, and we've had to go through variants that we weren't quite anticipating, to be perfectly honest. When we were first talking about this back in March of 2020, we were just thinking, okay, we get through this rush and maybe we mask or test or vaccinate or find therapeutics and we can get out of it. We quite honestly didn't anticipate as many variants coming on top of one another as we now have. And the reason for that makes sense in hindsight, but at the time we hadn't thought about it. Well,
doctors suspect Omicron will wipe out Delta completely.
So Omicron will likely completely wipe out Delta because it's going to be a more fit virus. It's going to have evolved to replicate more in us. And the more of us that can be a host for it, either because we are not vaccinated, under-vaccinated, or our immunity has waned, the more likely it is to continue to replicate.
Doctors recommend best practices.
Of course, vaccines. Vaccines are going to help everyone. If you're not vaccinated, please get vaccinated. If you are vaccinated, please get boosted. And if you're boosted, that leads to the number 2 tool in our arsenal, which is masks. Masks work. We have really, really good evidence now that masks are extremely effective.
Shelves for at-home COVID testing kits are empty. Pharmacists say they saw testing kits that previously weren't being bought in large quantities now being sold out due to the holiday season. Doctors say the at-home tests are very efficient in detecting the virus.
As Dr. Robash said, masks do work. As far as masks go, there is a hierarchy, with the N95 being at the top, then surgical masks and cloth masks. And even if it's just a cloth mask, the doctor says a mask at all is better than no mask at all. Reporting in Hattiesburg, Deidre Briscoe, 12.